Hi everyone! Today we're going to be making this card with no stamps, no die cuts, just hand lettering and watercolor. This is also a part of the Walking on Sunshine hop, which I will talk about during the video. So let's get down to the table and get started. I like to start by using a scratch piece of paper to brush letter the words I want on my card. This helps me line them up properly without wasting too much watercolor paper. Then I use my light pad to trace the word onto the watercolor paper exactly where I want it to be. And now we're ready for some watercolor. I'm using my plug and place swatch palette system to pick the colors I want for this project. I'll include the video about this system in the description box below. I'll be using Hydrocolor's Yellow Brick Road, Tangelo, and Canary. Now that I'm painting, I want to welcome you to the Walking on Sunshine hop. Things are starting to warm up here in the Northern Hemisphere, so we're sharing creations that are full of sunshine. We hope that you find each project as bright as the next. At the top of the description box, you will find the link to the next person in the lineup. I hope you take the time to watch all the hop videos because we love your comments and thumbs up. And if you aren't already, I hope you consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. You can also use the hashtag WalkingOnSunshine to find all of the videos in the hop. Some of us might be offering prizes on our channels, so please be sure to pay close attention for details. Also, check out my description box for more information. Here is the word sunshine, all dry and still shiny shimmery. Now let's get the rest of this card done. I'm using the same technique as earlier to add the words "you are my" to the card. I love the light pad because it allows me the perfect placement every time. Now let's add some actual sunshine to this card. I'm using the circle tool that I purchased on Amazon to create a half circle sun in the center of my watercolor panel. I'm using a Uniball Emot fine liner in yellow to create my sun. And here is the finished watercolor card front. Now it's time to assemble the card. I'm going to be layering a yellow cardstock underneath the watercolor paper to create a cute yellow border around the lettering. Then I'll adhere that to the card base and add some black stitch lines around the yellow border to tie in the black lettering on the front. And here is the finished card. Alright guys, that's it. I hope you had a great time. Go to my description box, find the link to the next person, and enjoy. And if you liked this video, please give it a like, think about subscribing, and maybe hitting the notification bell, and I will see you all next time. Bye!